Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send emails from Gmail with data parsed from PDFs by PDFco and Integromat. Let's start. We'll start by creating a scenario in Integromat. Then, create a PDF.co module. Type in and select PDF.co. Then, select Parse a document. Now, let's set up the PDF.co module. For the input file, select Import a file from URL. Then, manually add the URL of your source file. For the template ID, choose the document parser template that you're going to use. We will first run our PDF.co module before adding another module. Now, let's add another module. Type in and select Gmail. Then, select Send an email. Let's set up our Gmail module. First, let's show advanced settings. For the From field, add the email of the sender. For the To field, add the email of the receiver. For the Subject field, add the subject of your email. Lastly, for the Content field, add the contents of your email. Now that we're done setting up both modules, it's time to run our scenario. Our scenario runs successfully. Let's check if we're able to send the email. Since it's showing a message ID, let's check the email that we sent. Here's the email that we sent. It includes our parsed data. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.